Programmable devices and enabling technologies. Behind every smart system you see today, there is a powerful combination of hardware and software. From smartphones to industrial machines, these systems rely on programmable devices. Welcome to Lecture 4. In this lecture, you will learn what programmable devices are, the key components of digital systems, types of programmable technologies, real-world applications across industries. What are programmable devices? Programmable devices are electronic components that can be programmed to perform specific tasks. They follow instructions provided through software to process data and produce results. In simple terms, they are the brains behind modern technology. Core components of digital systems. Programmable devices are built using several key components. 1. Memory. Stores data and information. Examples: saving documents on a computer, storing patient records in a hospital system, keeping transaction history in banking. 2. Microprocessors. Execute instructions and perform computations. Examples: running applications on smartphones, controlling machines in factories, processing data in computers. 3. Logic devices. Manage communication and control operations between different components. Examples: signal processing in communication systems, control systems in industrial automation. And the fourth one's networks. Connect devices to share data and resources. Examples: internet connectivity, cloud-based systems, smart home networks. Types of programmable devices. Programmable devices come in different forms, depending on their function and complexity. Common types include programmable logic devices, PLDs, complex programmable logic devices, CPLDs, field programmable gate arrays, FPGAs. These devices can be configured to perform specific tasks efficiently. Real-world applications across industries. In healthcare, programmable devices are used in medical equipment, such as monitoring systems and diagnostic machines. Engineering, used in embedded systems to control machines and industrial processes. Automotive industry, modern vehicles use programmable systems for engine control, safety features, and navigation. Agriculture, automated irrigation systems use programmable devices to control water usage. Business and IT, servers and data centers rely on programmable systems to manage large-scale operations. Service-enabling devices, SEDs. Modern networks use specialized devices to enable communication and connectivity. Examples include modems, routers, switches, network interface devices. These devices allow systems to communicate and exchange data efficiently. Case study: smart systems. Consider a smart home system. It includes sensors to collect data, microprocessors to process information, networks to connect devices, software to control operations. This integration allows users to control lighting, security, and appliances remotely. Importance of programmable devices. Programmable devices are essential for modern technological systems. They provide flexibility, efficiency, automation, scalability. They enable systems to adapt to changing requirements and environments. Challenges and considerations. Despite their advantages, programmable devices also present challenges. Key challenges include complexity in design and programming, security vulnerabilities, maintenance and updates, cost of implementation. Example: a poorly secured system can be vulnerable to cyber attacks. Future trends. Programmable devices continue to evolve with emerging technologies. Trends include integration with artificial intelligence, development of smarter embedded systems, increased connectivity through IoT, more energy-efficient hardware designs. Why this matters to you? Understanding programmable devices helps you understand how modern systems work, interact effectively with technology, Solve real-world problems using digital tools. Prepare for technology-driven careers. Conclusion. In this lecture, we have learned what programmable devices are, their key components, their applications across industries, their importance in modern systems. Programmable devices are the foundation of today's digital world. They make modern innovation possible. In the next episode, we will explore human-machine interaction, HMI, and how humans interact with modern technology systems. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.